Students, welcome back. Let's see the difference between the mealy machine and mealy machine. Okay, so the main difference here, the mealy machine, the output is depends upon the present state and present input. I already said it depends upon the present state and the present input. That is a mealy machine. Okay, output depends on both the present state and present input. Whereas mealy machine, the output is depends upon only the present state, not the present input. So here mealy, it's on present state, present input. Mealy, the output is depends only on the present state. Coming to mealy machine, generally it has a fewer state than mealy machine. So the number of states are less in mealy machine, whereas the mealy machine generally it has a more states when compared to the mealy. So here the less states and here it is a more states. Coming to mealy machine, the value of the output function as a function. So whatever the function, output function you are getting, so that is a O, okay, sorry, it is a X, okay, that X, the value of the output function is a function of the transition and the changes when the input logic on the present state is done. So whereas in the mealy machine, the value of the output function is a function of the current state and the changes at the clock edges whenever the state change occurs. Mealy machine. The mealy machine reacts faster to input. Okay. So mealy machine reacts faster to input. They generally react in the same clock cycle. Then whatever the mealy machine. In a mealy machine, more logics are required to decode the output, which resulting in more circuit delays. So they generally react one clock cycle later. So let's see the example, the mealy machine and the mealy machine, a simple example. So here I have taken a one state transition diagram. So whatever the input sequence I have taken, the output is different for mealy and mealy. If I take 101, what is the output? So Q0 on 1, it is going to Q0 only, the output it is generated is B. And Q0 on 0, it is going to the state Q1 and output it is generated is A. And Q1 on 1, this time Q1 on 1, it is going to Q1 itself and the output it is generated is A. And Q1 on 0, it is going to Q0 and the output it is generated is B. So you got the string as B, A, A, B. Whereas coming to the mealy machine, so state consisting of state and the output as well, because it is depends only on the input, the present state. It is not depends upon the input, it depends upon the present state only. Here the input sequence they are given 101, and then what is the output? Q0 on 1, Q0 on 1, initially it is A, because the Q0 output is A. Q0 on 1, it is going to Q0 itself. The output of Q0 is A. Q0 on 0, it is going to Q1. The output of Q1 is B. Now Q1 on 1, it is going to Q0 and the output is A. And Q0 on 0, it is going to Q1. Output is B. So you got the string A, B, A, B. Okay, sorry, A, A, B, A, B. So did you observe here? The output for the mealy machine is B, A, B and the mealy machine is A, A, B, A, B. Okay, the input sequence we are taking the same input but we are getting the different output. Thank you.